Once in a while, I always face this issue on my iPhone regarding low network or a bad network. And this can be due to various reasons like software update, glitch, bug, or actual network issue. So now how to fix this? There are multiple things what you can try. So in this video, let's see one by one. First of all, since it is your mobile network, do one thing, open settings. In settings, go ahead and open mobile data or cellular. Open that and here choose your mobile number if you are using a dual SIM. Open that and here the first thing what you see, that is turn on this line. Just go ahead, disable that. By default it is enabled. Disable that and just re-enable it. So technically you are shutting down the SIM and you are just rebooting the SIM on your iPhone. Try that. After that, just scroll down and here choose option called voice and data. Here you will see multiple options like 5G auto, 5G on, LTE, and by default mostly 5G on will be chosen on most of the iPhones. And this can be one of the issue on your iPhone, because when you choose 5G on, you are insisting your iPhone to use only 5G network across all the tasks. And if that 5G network is not available, that time your iPhone might struggle to get a 5G network to perform a particular task. That time you might see that network fluctuation or a network issue on your iPhone. Instead, do one thing, choose 5G auto, where your iPhone will choose the network as per required for a task. So as per requirement, your iPhone will choose the network or use the network, so all the tasks will go ahead smoothly. After this, one more thing what you can try, that is just below that option called data mode. Just go ahead and tap on that. By default, the option called standard will be set. Basically, these options are limiting your data usage on your iPhone. So higher the better, right? For now, if there is an issue on your iPhone, do one thing, choose allow more data on 5G, where your iPhone will use high speed, higher network data for your iPhone for that moment. Try doing that, because sometimes the standard might be creating a lag on your iPhone. Try changing that for now, okay? Not regular basis, because it will surely consume your iPhone battery. So not every time, but for now, just try that. After that, come back to settings, and here just make sure that VPN is disabled on your iPhone. Also, if you're using VPN recently, do one thing, go to settings, in general, okay, go to VPN and device management, and if there is any VPN profile, for now just remove that from your iPhone. Okay, try that again, you reinstall it, but for now just remove it to solve this issue. Okay, if that is done, still issue is there, the last thing what you can try is go to setting, general, scroll down, lastly option called transfer or reset iPhone. Open that and choose option called reset, and here tap on reset network settings. So technically it will reset entire network settings on your iPhone, where any customization, any addition, modification about your network will be reset to default. If there are any glitch, any wrong settings available on your iPhone, will be removed. All the profile will be removed from your network settings on your iPhone and will be coming back to your default mode. Try doing that, surely it will fix your network on your iPhone for sure. I hope these settings, these features, these steps surely fix your issue about low network on your iPhone. If any works, please comment below, let me know what worked and what not, because coming days will make another video with advanced settings. Also, if you want any video regarding any topic, please comment below. Until then, I hope this video helped you, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe. Until then, see you, take care, bye bye.